All right, I'm going all in if this happens. It happened just not too long ago, about a month and a half ago, and I'm going to go all in again if this happens. We're going to talk about what the heck I'm talking about. It has to do with a particular altcoin that I absolutely love, one of my top plays. And we were talking about this one way back in 2021 when it was ranked in the 50s, in the 60s. Very, very few people were talking about it everywhere on YouTube. But now this particular crypto, and by the way, if you know which one it is, drop down in the comments right now if you know which one it is. This particular crypto, though, in 2022, took the altcoin space by storm because while many altcoins were down and out, this altcoin in particular had a beautiful run because of all of the great partnerships that they have inked. And by the way, a new company has just partnered with this crypto company, McDonald's. Little company, little fast food company, McDonald's. Just partnered with, you guessed it, Polygon Matic. And if they continue to struggle here, the price could fall below $1. Now, currently they're trading at $1.12, but recently, within the past month and a half, really within the past month, if you go back to March 10th, just about 2 weeks ago, Polygon Matic dipped down below the $1 level all the way down to 95 cents, and then literally 2 days later, immediately popped back up to $1.23. I love getting more Polygon Matic down there underneath $1. So right now, it's of course, a scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain, but they are doing a ton with integrating Web 2 companies into Web 3, guys. And right now, the Matic price is traded above the 80-cent horizontal support area since August of 2022. Even though it has bounced above it several times, though, the price failed to break out above the range high of the $1.40 level. So we've been trading in this tight window. And if we go back below that $1 level, I am looking to add to my position there. Absolutely love getting Polygon under $1 right now. So in the daily time frame, the technical analysis is indicating that Matic price is in a wave B of an ABC corrective structure right now. So we could expect a little bit more downside. That's what they're getting at here. And if we do see some more downside, we could have that opportunity to pick more Matic up at $1. I'll be looking to get some there. Of course, not financial advice, but I'm looking at this as a long-term play and a long-term opportunity here to scoop up more Polygon Matic, as it is the #1 scaling solution. Yes, there are some other great ones out there, especially with Optimism and what they've done recently, but they're going to be a ways away to catch up to Polygon, in my opinion, because they are solidifying themselves as the L2 on Ethereum right now. And oh yeah, by the way, they've got all this Web 2 integration right now happening as well with Starbucks and Starbucks and McDonald's and Mercedes-Benz and DraftKings. The list of companies is super, super impressive when you look at the companies that are building with Polygon Matic. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video.